This video will go over the assembly process for the NordicTrack commercial S27i, Studio Cycle, and other similar models. We will be referencing bolts and screws used in this assembly by their key number, found on the parts identification chart on page 6 of your user's manual. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing material. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you complete all assembly steps. To start, orient the handlebar post as shown, loosen the post knob and insert the handlebar post into the frame. Next, insert the lower wire into the frame and pull it out the upper slot in the handlebar post. Make sure the post knob is fully tightened before this next step. Loosen the shipping screw shown here a quarter of a turn. The screw should be easily removed with your fingers now. Remove and discard the shipping screw. Then, attach the handlebar to the handlebar post with 4 key number 93 screws. Now, remove the mount cover and pull out the wires from the console support. Slide the console support onto the handlebar and attach it with a key number 94 screw and a key number 105 washer. Identify the upper wire, located under the console support. This is the wire with the larger connector. Connect the upper wire to the lower wire extending from the handlebar post. Then connect the extension wire to the control wire in the same way. Next, remove and discard the shipping screws from the back of the console. Then, with the help of a second person, hold the console near the console bracket and route the wires through the opening in the console bracket as shown here. Connect the wires you just fed through the console bracket to the wires on the console support. Once the wires snap together with an audible click, you can attach the console to the console bracket with 4 key number 102 screws. Finish attaching the console with 6 key number 161 screws and 6 key number 162 washers. Then, orient the upper and lower console cover as shown and snap them into place on the back of the console, being sure to avoid pinching any wires. You can now fully tighten the console support screw. Next, attach the tray top and bottom to the console support with 4 key number 107 screws. Lastly, loosen the saddle post knob and insert the saddle post into the frame. The saddle post can be set to the desired height, then you can tighten the post knob to lock it into place. Attach the seat to the saddle post as shown here and tighten the saddle screw. Place the 2 hand weights into the weight holders and plug in the power adapter into the rear of your Studio Cycle. Make sure all parts of your machine are assembled correctly, properly tightened, and function properly.